Hello students, now we are going to start our next topic and it is very important topic, quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. This is our main topic of this chapter. Okay. First of all, we discuss about form of equation. What is form of equation and method of solving equation? In general, the quadratic equation is written in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay. If in an equation highest power is 2, then it is called quadratic equation. Okay. There are two methods of solving the quadratic equation. Number one is splitting of terms, and you know very well how to split three terms into four terms for solution of quadratic equation. Solution of equations is called roots of equation. Okay, means solution equals to roots. Okay. We can solve by two methods. First is a splitting of terms and second one is Sridharacharya method. Second method is, right now we are discussing about this method, Sridhara. Sridharacharya method. In short, we say Sridharacharya method is also known as delta method or D method. Okay. In this method, the formula of finding value x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. Okay. Under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now, if we say delta equal to, if we say delta equal to d, d પણ આપણે કહી શકીએ is equals to b square minus 4ac. Then the solution set of equation is x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of delta upon 2a. Okay. Now solution set can be written as x is equals to minus b plus under root delta. Delta is also known as discriminant upon 2a, or minus b minus root delta upon 2a. These are called roots of given equation. Okay. Now we are taking here alpha equal to minus b plus under root of delta upon 2a, and beta equals to minus b minus under root of delta upon 2a. Okay. So solution can be written as x equal to alpha comma beta. This is called our solution set, or alpha and beta are roots of equation. Okay, so you have to remember that two roots of equations are alpha and beta. Okay. Okay, now some important points. the equation can be written, the equation can be written in the form x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is called general form of an equation. Okay. Alpha plus beta is known as sum of roots. Sum of roots. And formula of alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Remember that, minus b upon a. And alpha beta is equals to product of roots. Product of roots. And it is equals to c divided by a. Okay. Now some important points we have to note, and it is most important point for our chapter. You have to remember these points at any cost. Okay. Some important points are, first, number one, we are discussing about nature of root. Or first we discuss, चलो आके एक नोट सेट बनाई नाखिए. नंबर वन આવું લખીએ કે ભાઈ ફેક્ટર્સ ફોર્મ્યુલાઝ હેડિંગ આપી દઈએ, ફેક્ટર્સ ફોર્મ્યુલાઝ. ઓકે, so x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, where delta is equals to what? Delta is equals to under root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, now second point, nature of root, and it is most important point of this chapter. Nature of a root. Number two, nature of roots. Okay, first thing, if delta is greater than or equal to 0, the roots are real. In short, we are writing real roots. Okay. Second point, if delta is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Okay. અહીંયા એક મિસ્ટેક થઈ ગઈ છે, real લખાઈ ગયું છે, real. Real roots. Okay. Delta greater than 0, real roots. Delta greater than equal to 0, roots are real. If delta greater than 0 means only positive, the roots are real and unequal. If delta is equals to 0, okay, then the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. And if delta is less than 0, actually this position is not possible. Okay, delta less than 0, the roots are imaginary. Imaginary and unequal. Okay, so you have to remember if delta is greater than or equal to 0, the roots are real. If delta is only greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. Delta equal to 0, roots are real and unequal. Delta less than 0, roots are imaginary and unequal, because in under root negative sign is not applicable. Okay, now our third point, which is our third point, number 3, इक्वेशन फॉर्मेट. આગળ આવી ગયું છે પણ નોટ્સ કરતા જઈએ. इक्वेशन फॉर्मेट. Okay, equation format is, earlier we learned that x square minus alpha plus beta, x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Okay, where alpha plus beta is equals to what? It is sum of roots and it is minus b upon a, while alpha beta is product of roots and formula is c upon a. Okay, now fourth point. Our fourth point is, if one root, if difference between roots are given, different between roots are given, different between roots, difference between roots. Okay, so we can write difference between roots means alpha minus beta, or we can also say that if two roots are equal, roots are equal means alpha equal to beta, so we can write alpha minus beta equal to 0. And formula of alpha minus beta is, there are two formulas. See, first one is under root of b square minus 4ac divided by a. Listen, a, not 2a. આગળ 2a આવતું એટલે ભૂલથી 2a ન મુકાઈ જાય. And another formula is alpha minus beta is equals to under root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Okay, તમને જે comfortable લાગે એ formula use કરો, but I think first one is very easy. આ થોડી easy છે. Now next point, point number 5, fifth point. Okay, fifth point is, if one root is reciprocal of other, that means what? That means alpha is equals to 1 by beta. Okay, beta ને અહીંયા લઈ જાય શું થાય? Alpha beta is equals to 1. Okay, so if the roots are reciprocal, we can write alpha beta equal to 1. And in this case, what is formula of alpha beta? It is c upon a equal to 1. So we can write c is equals to a. જ્યારે પણ તમને આપ્યું હોય કે two roots of the equations are reciprocal of each other, we have to put c equal to a. Okay, now next point, sixth number. Number 6. Okay, if roots are same or equal, but with opposite sign, but with opposite sign. We can write alpha is equals to minus beta. Okay, so if we are moving beta to left side, we will get alpha plus beta equals to 0. Okay, now 7 number. આનો પણ આપણે બહુ યુઝ નહીં આવે, પણ એક નોટ્સ આપણે લખી લઈએ. 7 નંબરમાં શું થશે? નંબર 7, roots are in the ratio. If roots are in the ratio, okay, then we can write b square upon ac is equals to p plus q whole square divided by pq. Okay, see, it is extraordinary point, એટલે આપણે કદાચ આનો યુઝ આવશે પણ નહીં, પણ હું તમને જનરલ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપી દઉં છું. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ હવે બધી ફોર્મ્યુલા આપણે લખવાની છે. 8 નંબર, ફોર્મ્યુલા નંબર 8 or notes 8, alpha plus beta whole square, sorry, alpha square plus beta square is equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. બરાબર, આમ તો બધી ફોર્મ્યુલાને આપણે ડિરાઈવ કરી શકીએ, બટ એમાં ટાઈમ બહુ વધુ લાગશે. ચાલો આ તમને એક સોલ્વ કરી દઉં કે ભાઈ alpha plus beta whole square equals to what? A plus b whole square, yes. So we can write alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Okay, if we are moving 2 alpha beta to left side, we will get alpha square plus beta square is equals to what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, this is our formula number 8. ઓકે, આ બધી ફોર્મ્યુલા તો તમને આવડતી જ હોય એટલે કોઈ ઇશ્યુ નથી. નાવ 9 નંબર, ફોર્મ્યુલા નંબર 9. 9 number is alpha cube plus beta cube, like a cube plus b cube. Okay, what is formula of alpha cube plus beta cube? It is alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. તો તમને એમ થશે સર તમે પહેલી ફોર્મ્યુલા કેમ ન લખી? alpha plus beta alpha square plus beta square, બરાબર, એ પણ લખી શકાય. બટ આ શું છે એકચ્યુઅલી? ચાલો આ પણ એક ડિરાઈવ કરી લઈએ આપણે કે ભાઈ alpha plus beta whole cube equal to what? Formula is alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Okay, if we are moving alpha beta, 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta to left side, we will get alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to what? Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta, sorry, 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. આ બધું શા માટે હું તમને કરાવું છું? તો કે ભાઈ આપણે કદાચ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ભૂલી ગયા હોઈએ તો એ લખવા માટે, બરાબર છે, કે આનાથી આપણને યાદ આવી જાય. ઓકે, સિમિલરલી 10 number is number 10. Okay, 10 number is alpha cube minus beta cube is equals to alpha minus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. ઓકે, હવે આને એક્સપાન્ડ નથી કરતો, તમે સમજી શકો કઈ રીતે આપણે લખવું જોઈએ. ઓકે, નાવ 11 નંબર, ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 11. If, remember this note, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then roots of the equation are c upon a, 1. બરાબર, પછી આરે આપણે સોલ્વ કરવાની જરૂર નથી, આ રીતના ક્વેશ્ચન આપેલો હોય તો. નેક્સ્ટ નંબર એન્ડ લાસ્ટ, નેક્સ્ટ એન્ડ લાસ્ટ પોઈન્ટ. આનો પણ આપણે લગભગ યુઝ નથી આવતો, પણ હું તમને આ મસ્ત એક એડિશનલ કરાવી દઉં છું. નેક્સ્ટ નંબર આપણે કેવો પહોંચ્યા? 12 નંબર. ઓકે, 12 નંબર. Number is irrational roots occur in pairs. Okay, for example, if one root is a minus root b, then another root will be a plus under root of b. Okay, for example, તમને આનું એક એક્ઝામ્પલ પણ લઈ દો એટલે ખ્યાલ આવે. ચાલો, આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન માની લો કે આવો આપ્યો છે, find equation of line with root 2 minus under root of 3. Okay, solution મેળવીએ. See here, one root is 2 minus root 3. Okay, therefore another root will be 2 plus root 3. Okay, okay. Now what is our form of equation? Okay, sum and roots. So first we are finding sum of roots. Sum of roots equals to 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3. Okay, root 3 cancelled. Our answer is 4. Now, what is product of roots? Product of roots equal to 2 minus root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 3. Okay, so a minus b, a plus b will be a square minus b square, means 2 square. 4 minus root 3 square is 3, and it is equals to 1. Okay, now what is our equation? Equation no format શું હતું કે ભાઈ our equation is x square minus sum of roots multiplied by x plus product of roots equal to 0. Okay. So our required equation is x square minus sum of roots is 4. 4x plus product is 1 equal to 0. ચાલો તો આપણો આન્સર થશે. તો આને તમે સોલ્વ કરો ઇક્વેશનને તો પણ તમને આન્સર આ બે જ મળશે. બરાબર છે? તો આ નોટ્સ ખાસ યાદ રાખો.